Good morning from the foster mother. There's Mom Cat and the foster kittens. Mom Cat's doing a good job of cleaning. She had a little bit of kibble. She's not eating wet food yet, but she did have some kibble, so she is eating. Babies are full of milk. Oh, you hear that low rumbling? One of the kittens purrs. It's one of the calicos. I haven't been able to tell which one yet. But one of them has learned to purr, and they're already a lot more mobile than they were yesterday. They're getting their morning bath at the moment, as they're also getting their morning breakfast. Yes, girl, you're very pretty. Good girl. So there's the foster kittens this morning. They're going to be available at the Bonita Shelter in Lemon Grove, San Diego. Probably in August, I'm thinking. And that includes Mom Cat, who's very pretty and who someone should definitely adopt. She's so friendly. She needs a lot of attention. What do you think, guys? Is it a good morning? It is, huh? Good girl. Good Mom Cat. She's the biggest paws. Wait, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.